Do you have a joint pain and hear cracking, popping or snapping sound when you move your joint? Hi, I am Dr. Sheetal Mundara and watch this video to know about joint pain and what causes it. Osteoarthritis is a condition that affects cartilage, bone and a lubricating fluid inside the joint. Cartilage is the cushioning structure of the joint surfaces gets worn out. As the problem progresses, the bone may start breaking down and form a spike-like structures coming out called osteophytes. The lubricating fluid present inside the joint starts becoming thick and causes the two joint surfaces to rub each other, which leads to pain and limitation of movement. This condition commonly affects the large joint like hip, knee, ankle, shoulder or spine. You are at the risk of developing osteoarthritis if you are overweight, had joint injury or a weak muscle around a joint. If your work does not allow you much of the physical activity, then you are at the risk of osteoarthritis. These problems believed to affect women 13% higher than men and is more and more common as the age progresses. You will feel burning pain in joint, lesser joint movement making it difficult to move freely, swelling around the joint and warmth upon touching the joint. Weight-bearing activities like standing, walking or running will start giving pain or causing pain even if you will do those activities for a short period of time. You will hear popping, cracking sound upon moving the joint. Stretching exercises of the muscle around the joint will increase the current available range and thus increasing the movement around the joint. Strengthening exercises of the muscle will improve the weight-bearing activities and reduces the movement-related injuries. Gradually increasing the resistance in the strengthening like adding the weights in the form of weight cuffs, dumbbells, TheraBands will help in maintaining or improving the joint strength. The agility exercises, that is, ability of the joint to take sudden changes in direction or forces, will help pain-free movements of joint in day-to-day activities. Adding warm-up and cool-down to your exercise regime will prevent exercises-related injuries or tiredness. Applying ice pack in case of warmth and swelling and hot pack in case of joint stiffness will help to get rid of joint irritation and improves the blood circulation. Hydrotherapy exercises, that is, exercises inside the water, will help to regain a strength without putting extra load on the joint. I hope this video helped you to understand your joint pain and the best way to get rid of it. Don't forget to leave your comment to share your views and queries down in the comment section. For more such educational video, don't forget to subscribe to your physio.